Hello, my name is Mrs. Valencia. I am one of the kindergarten teachers here at Salt River Elementary School. I have been teaching here for over 20 years. I am Navajo and originally from Pinon, Arizona. The kindergarten curriculum for math is Eureka Math. We will learn strategies and use our math tools to solve problems. We have a word wall in our classroom. It is an interactive tool for our students to use during writing and reading. More and more words will be added throughout the school year. We use Class Dojo to connect and communicate with our families. Students and families receive updates, photos, and videos about their child's educational learning. The students earn Class Dojo points for positive behavior and being responsible when they complete their assigned work. The students get to showcase their best work on our classroom WOW wall.
Ani Anapchugik Mrs. Hunsaker. My name is Mrs. Hunsaker, and I am one of 2 kindergarten teachers here at Salt River Elementary School. In kindergarten, we use our Fundations Materials to help us to learn our letters, the sounds that they make, and they help us to write these letters as well. So we stretch the vowel sounds, we write in our student notebooks, we use whiteboards that have the skyline, plane line, grass line, and worm line to help us to write. Also, Baby Echo helps us to learn our letters and our sounds. In kindergarten, we follow many rules. Here are a few of the rules that we follow in our classroom. We listen to others, and we say kaihem. We're quiet when others are speaking, so we say pishamnant. And the nonovs and the datats are there to help us to remember to keep our hands and our feet safe. We use ReadyGen to help us meet our kindergarten goals, which is to ask and answer questions. And we also compare stories in kindergarten. We talk about fictional stories and non-fictional stories. We have a lot of fun stories that we read in kindergarten, such as Where's Home, Little Pip? We learn about farming. We learn about plants. We learn about all sorts of things in kindergarten. This is our safe place. We use this place when we're feeling sad, when we're feeling lonely, we're missing home, when we are angry or frustrated. We can go here to reset by breathing. We can read a story. We can look at the sensory bottles to help us to calm down.